Well, there's businesses that screen cheap, and they screen cheap for a reason, especially in a more efficient market. There's plenty of the microcap world is littered with cash boxes or value traps, broken businesses that can't be fixed, businesses that are worth more dead than alive, where the liquidation value of the real estate is more than the market cap, or the liquidation value of the current assets are more than the market cap or the enterprise value. So unless you're going to go after these, where we are with it, I think every value investor at some point in their career has been obsessed with the fact that when they first see these things, you feel like you're stealing money. You feel like, wow, it's manna from heaven. I mean, this is $1 for 50 cents in its utmost form. But you get burned, because unless you've got a board that's willing to actually dividend that money out or sell that company, it's going to stay in that cash box, and it's going to probably diminish over time, especially if it's a really broken business. So the way I view these today is they're great if I'm going to go in as an activist, or I'm going to back someone else that's going to go in as an activist and promote change, or try to get a board to do a one-time dividend or sell the business or something like that after I've verified that there is a potential buyer. But buying something just because it's cheap, is a very losing proposition. I mean, there's got to be more to it than that, because all a business is people that get up in the morning and go to work. And yeah, there's cash in the bank. I mean, you go to any small business, there's cash in the till, and the opportunity to potentially buy that business for the cash in the till seems fantastic. But if the business is falling apart, or it's in the middle of a kind of a war zone or something, and there's not going to be anybody there for years and years to come, you end up just buying yourself more problems than it's worth. So we would rather pay somewhat of a fair price. I mean, I don't want to say we overpay, but I'd rather pay somewhat of a normal price with the idea of a double over 3 years than to buy something that just looks too good to be true, because it generally is too good to be true.